The MD4 master display from Geoprobe systems is being utilized on most Geoprobe and Dromax machines. The MD4 features touchscreen navigation and soft button navigation. It boasts a larger screen that is brighter and easier to read, as well as a replaceable screen cover to keep the display protected. The MD4 monitor has a rugged design with no moving parts and is completely sealed to protect against harsher environments. Built-in virtual switches keep the machine running if a mechanical switch goes down. The MD4 offers fast navigation to information pages you need to be an effective operator. MD4 components include a 5-inch touchscreen display, a 4-way joystick or directional soft buttons for navigation, an Enter, OK, or Select button to initiate the button press, 5 function buttons below the display that correspond to the bottom row of icons on the display, a menu button to go directly to the main menu. Information pages vary depending on the type and purpose of the machine, but can include a home screen page showing major overview information, with function buttons set up for quick access to high-use pages and features. A drilling and coring page displaying all the needed drilling information on one page, including head RPM and mud pump flow, with function buttons for CPT or coring selection and a timer button for timing runs. A CPT page displays cone penetration testing specific information if equipped. When the CPT function is enabled, it provides the adjustment buttons to monitor and change CPT downforce percentage, as well as the ability to adjust head feed rate. Buttons include a timer with a start, stop, reset button sequence, an engine page where you find most engine performance information like oil pressure and exhaust temperature, as well as DPF soot load and an engine hour meter, a DPF or diesel particulate filter information page. This page displays the same soot load as the engine page, but adds ash loading percentage, regeneration options, DPF status, and exhaust temperature, with button options to block the particulate filter regen cycle, a cooling page that shows fluid cooling information. A block PR2 on-off button is displayed to stop the priority 2 cooling function with an additional button to manually turn on and off the cooling fans. Pressing the standalone menu button takes you to the main menu page that features in-depth information about your system. The menu page usually consists of 4 categories: System, Measure, Adjust, and Preferences. The System category displays Info, Modules, and Logs. Info shows machine ID and firmware versions. Modules include master display and master platform module information like serial number, BIOS, and software build information. Logs displays logged information from the MD4, master platform, machine monitoring, and engine monitoring log information that can be helpful in retracing steps for troubleshooting. The Measure category is good to look at real-time input and output information like amp draw, percentage, PSI, and switch state. The Adjust category allows changes to current outputs, machine options, machine setting, and cooling settings, to name a few. Some settings may show a padlock indicating that a PIN number needs to be entered to make modifications to those settings. Preferences changes date and time, monitor brightness, as well as units and languages. Depending on the model, other information pages can include the Service Info page. It is where access to track setting, machine options, switch duplicates, and track 2-speed choices reside. Function button choices include maximum hydraulic pressure on-off and high flow bypass on-off setting. A track drive options page for track-specific information and options including track speed setting, track 2-speed choice, and control panel track enable buttons. Lower function buttons are wireless remote enable disable and tethered remote enable disable. An alarms page which displays active alarms that should be addressed. It is accessible by pushing the function button below the bell icon on several information pages. The new MD4 display provides clear information for the operator, key feedback to simplify diagnosing a problem, and redundant operator controls. In short, the new MD4 display simplifies life for the driller and helps keep the rig running at peak performance. For more information, visit our website or call us at 785-825-1842.